Alam niyo po, ang hindi ko talaga maunawaan kung paano maiisip ng isang tao, ng isang grupo, na okay lang na party ka sa isang kontrata ng COMELEC at tatakbo ka rin sa eleksyon na yon. Hindi ko talaga maunawaan kung paano naiisip ng ibang tao na okay lang yon. It is not okay. It is not just about Pasig, but it is about the integrity of our national and local elections. Wala bidding hanggang kung kailan man sila na mag-withdraw. So, syempre, magkakilala yan. They have been using the name. They have been using even behind the scenes, yung mga tao nila, pinagmamalaki na quote-unquote, hawak nila yung kontrata na yan ng COMELEC. Ngayon, bakit ko to binabanggit ngayon? Kasi ako dito sa Pasig, sa politika, okay lang naman ako eh. Hindi ko na kailangan ikwento to sa inyo. Honestly, okay naman ako eh. Kaya ako to binabanggit, kaya ako to sinasa publiko, because this is a matter of national importance. We have to make sure that our elections have integrity. Ngayon, nagpapasalamat po ako sa COMELEC, nagpapasalamat po ako kay Chairman Garcia for taking actions. Hindi naman gagawa ng kwento si Chairman tungkol sa isang random construction company, di ba? So I thank them for taking the appropriate actions or initial actions to ensure the integrity of our elections. But hindi pa po tapos. We still need to make sure that they truly do not interfere with the operations, with the machines. We need to ensure, we need to make sure, we need to watch carefully. Kailangan bantayan natin ng maigi para makasiguro tayo na hindi sila mag-interfere sa operations at sa mga machines, sa automated election machines. Nakasama po sila dyan, mula bidding hanggang po nag-withdraw sila just a couple of days ago.
In the case of members of the Right to Know, Right Now Coalition et al. Versus Commission on Elections and the joint venture of Meru Systems Company Limited, Integrated Computer Systems, St. Timothy Construction Corporation, and Centerpoint Solutions Technologies. Members of the Right to Know Right Now Coalition and several others filed a petition for certiorari against the COMELEC for its failure to act on their Freedom of Information request regarding the COMELEC contract for the lease of a full automation system with the Meru joint venture. Petitioners are also asking the Supreme Court to compel the Meru joint venture to disclose the said information. The Supreme Court required the COMELEC and the Meru joint venture to comment on the petition within a non-extendable period of 10 days from receipt of notice.